Mythbusters! Hi everyone, and welcome to our wonderful new series on Mythbusters. We'll be busting myths about task-based language teaching, or TBLT, and this series is sponsored by the wonderful course on task-based language teaching for teachers and course designers run by the cooperative SLB. So we start today with the most pervasive myth of all, that beginners are not suited to task-based language teaching. It's not a myth, mister. TBLT is all about doing things with language, right? Doing tasks, like going to the doctors or selling a pizza. Or role-playing on a multiplayer Minecraft server, right? And you need language to do these things, right? Words and stuff. So how are you going to do these things with language if you don't have any language like a beginner? Well, by being exposed to examples of tasks recorded or written, by starting out with very simple versions of the task, mainly receptive, then gradually bringing in more productive work if that's what's required in the task objective. Oh, that sounds so much better than doing a few nice wee drills with the present simple, doesn't it, eh? Well, yes, actually. Research shows that teaching structures explicitly things like the present simple only gets learners so far. As soon as they start trying to deal with things like question formation with auxiliary verbs and inversion, they just can't produce it spontaneously, at least not at that early stage in their development. Right, so you think they should be doing communicative tasks without the ability to form a grammatically standard question? How are they going to be understood in the real world? How no? Even you manage to get a point across from time to time. It's the ability to do the tasks we're trying to develop here. Accuracy will improve, of course, though. Well, how will it if you don't teach any grammar at all? Just task this and task that and task the other thing. Well, funny you should say that. That's the subject of our next TBLT Mythbuster, when we'll be looking at the myth that there's no grammar in TBLT. Stay tuned for that, and in the meantime, to find out more about our wonderful course on task-based language teaching, click on the link below. Cheerio!